As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes crucial for staying active, independent, and healthy. Many seniors believe that losing muscle mass and strength is an inevitable part of aging, but that's not entirely true. With the right daily habit, you can rebuild muscle strength, improve mobility, and feel as vibrant as you did in your 40s. Today, we're diving into one simple, science-backed daily trick that can transform your strength and vitality no matter your age. This method is easy to incorporate into your routine, requires no fancy equipment, and is designed specifically for seniors. Let's explore how this works, why it's effective, and how you can start today. First, let's talk about why muscle strength declines as we age. Starting in our 30s, we naturally lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade, a process called sarcopenia. This loss accelerates after 60, leading to weaker muscles, reduced balance, and a higher risk of falls. But here's the good news. Sarcopenia isn't unstoppable. Research shows that targeted resistance exercises, even light ones, can reverse muscle loss and rebuild strength. The key is consistency and choosing the right approach for your body. That's where our daily trick comes in. A single habit that combines movement, nutrition, and recovery to maximize muscle growth. The daily habit we're focusing on is a combination of body weight resistance exercises paired with proper protein intake. Specifically, it's about doing a 10-minute body weight circuit every day and ensuring you're getting enough protein to fuel muscle repair. This approach is low impact, beginner-friendly, and proven to work for seniors. Let's break it down step by step so you can understand how to do it and why it's so effective. Step 1, the 10-minute body weight circuit. This circuit includes 3 simple exercises you can do at home: chair squats, wall push-ups, and seated leg raises. These movements target major muscle groups, your legs, chest, and core, without putting stress on your joints. Here's how to do each one. For chair squats, stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself toward the chair as if you're about to sit, then stand back up. Aim for 10 to 12 reps. If you need support, hold onto the chair or a nearby table. For wall push-ups, stand about arm's length from a wall, place your hands on it at shoulder height, and bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall. Push back to the starting position. Do 8 to 10 reps. For seated leg raises, sit in a chair, keep one leg bent, and lift the other leg straight out in front of you, holding for a second before lowering. Do 12-15 reps per leg. Perform these 3 exercises back-to-back as a circuit, resting for 30 seconds between each move. Complete the circuit 3 times, which takes about 10 minutes. If you're new to exercise, start with 1 or 2 rounds and gradually build up. The beauty of this circuit is its simplicity. You don't need a gym, weights, or even much space. Plus, studies show that bodyweight exercises like these can increase muscle mass and strength in seniors by up to 20% in just 12 weeks when done consistently. Now, let's talk about the second part of this habit, protein. Exercise alone isn't enough to rebuild muscle. You need the right nutrition to support it. Protein is this building block of muscle, and seniors often don't get enough. Research recommends that adults over 60 consume 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily to support muscle growth. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, that's about 8,100 grams of protein per day. Good sources include lean meats like chicken or turkey, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, beans, and tofu. A simple way to hit your protein goal is to include a protein-rich food in every meal. For breakfast, try Greek yogurt with fruit or eggs with whole grain toast. For lunch, a chicken salad or lentil soup works great. For dinner, grilled fish or tofu with vegetables is perfect. If you're on the go, a protein shake with whey or plant-based protein powder can be a convenient option. Timing matters too. To maximize muscle repair, spread your protein intake across the day and aim to have 20-30 grams within an hour after your exercise circuit. This could be a small meal like a turkey sandwich or a smoothie with protein powder, fruit, and spinach. Studies show that this combination of exercise and timed protein intake can boost muscle protein synthesis by 50% in older adults, meaning your body is actively rebuilding stronger muscles. Let's address a common concern. Is this safe for seniors? Absolutely, as long as you move at your own pace and listen to your body. The exercises in this circuit are low impact and designed to minimize strain. If you have joint issues, arthritis, or other health conditions, consult your doctor before starting. But most seniors can do these moves safely. Start slow, focus on proper form, and stop if you feel pain beyond mild muscle fatigue. Over time, you'll notice improved strength, better balance, and more energy for daily tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Why does this daily habit work so well? It's all about consistency and synergy. The body weight circuit stimulates your muscles, signaling them to grow stronger. The protein provides the raw materials for that growth. Doing this every day ensures your muscles are regularly challenged and repaired, preventing the gradual decline of sarcopenia. Plus, this habit takes just 10 minutes of exercise and a little meal planning, making it sustainable for busy seniors. Compare that to spending hours at the gym or following complicated diets. It's a game changer. Let's look at some real-world results. A 2020 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors who did daily bodyweight exercises and increased their protein intake gained significant muscle mass and strength in just 8 weeks. Participants reported feeling more confident in their movements and less fatigued during daily activities. Another study from 2019 showed that older adults who combined resistance training with protein supplementation improved their walking speed and reduced their risk of falls by 30%. These aren't just numbers. They translate to a better quality of life, more independence, and the ability to enjoy hobbies like gardening or playing with grandkids. To make this habit stick, let's talk about implementation. Set a specific time each day for your circuit, like first thing in the morning or after breakfast. Pair it with a cue, like making your coffee or watching the news, to anchor it in your routine. Keep a small notebook or use an app to track your workouts and protein intake. It's motivating to see your progress. If you miss a day, don't stress. Just get back to it the next day. Consistency over perfection is the goal. You can also make it fun by playing music during your circuit or doing it with a friend or spouse. If you want to take this to the next level, consider adding variety once you're comfortable. For example, swap in new exercises like standing side leg lifts or countertop planks to keep your muscles guessing. Gradually increase the number of reps or add a 4th round to your circuit. You can also experiment with protein-rich recipes like a quinoa and black bean salad or a baked salmon dish to keep your meals exciting. The key is to stay consistent with the core habit, daily exercise and protein, while tweaking it to suit your preferences. One thing to avoid is overcomplicating the. You don't need expensive supplements, high-tech gear, or extreme workouts. The simplicity of this habit is what makes it powerful. That said, some seniors find that a daily multivitamin or vitamin D supplement supports their overall health, especially if they're not getting enough sunlight. Check with your doctor to see what's right for you. Also, stay hydrated. Drink water throughout the day to support muscle function and recovery. Let's recap the daily trick. Do a 10-minute bodyweight circuit of chair squats, wall push-ups, and seated leg raises 3 times through every day. Pair it with 1.22 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, spread across your meals with 20 milligrams post-workout. That's it. This habit is backed by science, tailored for seniors, and designed to fit into your life. Start today, and in a few weeks, you'll likely notice stronger legs, a sturdier posture, and a renewed sense of energy. Before we wrap up, let's address motivation. It's normal to feel skeptical or hesitant about starting something new, especially if you haven't exercised in a while. But think about what you stand to gain. The ability to move with ease, stay independent, and enjoy life to the fullest. Picture yourself walking confidently, lifting groceries without strain, or keeping up with your grandkids. That's what this daily habit can do for you. It's not about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about reclaiming the strength and vitality you deserve. If you're ready to start, grab a chair and try the circuit right now. Do 1 round, see how it feels, and have a protein-rich snack afterward. Tomorrow, do it again. Small steps lead to big changes. Over time, this simple daily trick will help you rebuild muscle strength, boost your confidence, and feel like you're 40 again. Your body is capable of more than you think. Give it the chance to prove it.